Hi everyone, today we will introduce new OBD II scanner, Launch CRP123. We will unbox it now. I got it out of the package. We are just going to see what's in here. Firstly, we can see a red main unit with red rubber case to avoid slip down. Very convenient to use. We can see a quickly start guide paper menu, which tells you how to register and update. This is a USB cable. Connect to your computer. This is OBD II connector to connect your cards to this unit. This is a TF card. You will need it when you update. We take out the main unit and at the bottom we can see a paper manual to tell you how to use it in details. That's all. Thank you. Now we will show you how to register and update CRP123 via computer. Firstly, we have to enter into the Launch official website www.dbscar.com and click the product. Then you will see CRP123. Now we need to click icon updating tool download to download the install Launch Cradle update tool. After installation is complete, we need to run it. Next, install. Now we're going to refresh the web and run the updating tool. Now we select language we need and input product serial number. The serial number code can be found in the Launch Cradle CRP123. Firstly, we connect our tool to computer and click help icon, press the OK button, select tool information, then press this button OK. Now we can see the register code on the page. Now we get back to finish the register information. Input the email address and our register code. We unplug the SD card from the main unit and insert into card reader and plug the card reader into the computer port. Now we are downloading all this card software. It may take several minutes. Please be patient. Once downloading finished, we can copy the file to our SD card. That is all.